Fire. Attention Howick Fire. Please respond 45010 Harrison Road. That'll be at Howick Public School. You're responding general fire alarm, key holder pending. Once again, that's 45010 Harrison Road at Howick Public School. It's a general fire alarm, time of first page, 2011-17.
Dispatch, this is Howick Fire, acknowledging your page.
Attention Howick Fire, please respond 45010 Harrison Road. Responding at Howick Public School for a general fire alarm, key holder currently pending. That's 45010 Harrison Road, crossroads of Fordwich Line and Tollgate Line at the Howick Public School general fire alarm, key holder pending. It's the 19th of March at 20:12:45. Howick Fire, please respond. Go ahead.
Roger that, 2-1, you're responding. I believe you said with 2 on board, is that Roger? Thank you, 2013.
Fire dispatch, call Howick Fire.
Go ahead, Howick.
Yeah, we received your page to the public school.
Roger that, page received, 2015.
Howick page from Howick Fire 2-1. 2-6 from Howick Fire 2-1. Fire dispatch, Howick Fire.
Howick Fire, go ahead.
Yeah, you can show unit 25 and 26 are responding this time.
25 and 26 responding at 2017-19.
Fire dispatch from Howick Fire 2-1.
Go ahead, 2-1.
Yeah, dispatch, advise we've received a call from the key holder that a pole station was hit by accident. It's a false alarm. 2-1 will still be responding. All other units can stand down.
Roger that, 2-1. You received a call from the key holder advising a pole station was hit by accident. It is a false alarm. 2-1, you're continuing and all other units can stand down. I repeat, false alarm, all other units can stand down. It's 2018.
Fire dispatch, you can show units 26 and 25 are returning to base.
Roger that, 2625, you're returning to base. It's 2018.
Fire dispatch, Howick unit 26 is returned to base.
Roger that, 26, you returned to base. 2019.
Fire dispatch, you can show 25 back at base.
Roger that, 25, you're back at base as well. It's 2020.
Fire dispatch, Howick 2-1.
2-1, go ahead.
2-1 is on scene at the Howick Public School.
Roger that, 2-1, you're on scene. It is 2022.
Fire dispatch, Howick 2-1.
Howick 2-1, go ahead.
Dispatch, we've met with the custodian on site. We've assisted them in resetting the alarm and confirmed no further issues in the building. You can show command terminated and 2-1 returning with 2.
Roger that, 2-1, you met with the custodian, assisted with resetting the alarm, confirmed no other issues on site. Command is terminated, and 2-1, you are returning with 2. It's 2032.
Fire dispatch, Howick 2-1.
Howick 2-1, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show 2-1 back at station. You can also show Howick Fire back in service.
Roger that, 2-1, you're back at station, and Howick Fire, you're back in service. It's 2037. Have a good night.
You as well. XKU 493 Howick, clearing off the air at 2037.